Okay, so we have ABCD integers such that a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 30. All right. And we're looking to minimize a minus b whole square plus a minus c whole square plus a minus d whole square. Now, integers are real numbers. So because they are real numbers, none of the squares could be negative, right? So in order to minimize this, I'll try to make them as many zeros as possible. Now, I can make them zeros only when the values are equal, right? And the ones which I cannot make them zero, I'll try to again keep them as close to each other as possible. So the basic idea is I'll try to keep this B, C, and D, each of them close to A as much as possible, right? Now, the problem is this mentioned that integers, if that would not have been, then if just said real numbers, I would have assigned everything to 7.5 because that is 30 divided by 4, right? I would have made each of them equal. In that case, this would have been 0, 0, 0, so minimum of 0. But here we cannot because it's an integer. It says it's an integer. So the best we can go, the closest value we can get to is 7788. Now, I don't think that should create any problem, but still let me put a 7 on A and B. It doesn't matter actually in this case. So we can assign 7788 in whichever way we want. In that case, one of these will be 0, one of these will be 1, and one of these will be 1. So resulting in a minimum value of 2. Just let me write that properly. Yeah. So the answer here is 2. Again, pretty straightforward question. All you have to understand is some basic ideas, nothing to it as such. Just use pure reasoning in these kind of problems. Please do not get into approach formula oriented approaches, so that is very useless in cat. And see the type of ideas that are being used, very logical ideas, right? Because of perfect squares, I mean, you need to keep them equal or as close so that the values are lower, right? Because you cannot make it negative, as simple as that. So try to make it as close to 0 as possible. So that's that simple an idea. Again, if you are good in it, you will solve it in less than 1 minute. I mean, even 1 minute is an exaggeration. You can solve it in, I don't know, 20 seconds or something. It's a very easy problem. I hope that was understood. Thank you.